Hi dear, I'm Vicky from Venus here. Today this video we will talk something about customized wig. What information or what details you need to confirm with us. When you want to customize a wig, first we need to know what lace you want to use. Like this, you want 2x4x4 closure, 2x6 closure, or 6x6, or 30x6, or 30x4 frontal, or what lace products you want to use. And second is what lace you want to use. Like this is HD lace. Let me show you. HD lace. Yes, so natural. Or regular lace. What lace you want to use. After you choose the lace size, or regular lace or HD lace, the second is you need to confirm what quality bundles you want to use and how many bundles you want to use. Like this one, this raw hair, double draw raw hair, real raw hair. This can last for many years. How many bundles you want to use? This is 38 grade bundles and 12A grade bundles. Yes, what quality bundles you want to use and how many bundles you want to use. And then what cap size, big size or medium size or small or very small size you want to use. And the other is what color you want. Like this, different colors you can choose. Like 1B, brown, blonde color, or other, so many colorful you can choose. When you place order, you can send me picture of the color you want, okay? And the other is you need to confirm the style you want, like you want straight or body wave, loose body, deep curl, deep wave, water wave, or other style you want, any other style you want, okay? Let me see what is the other information. Okay, when you confirm the style, just send us a picture, because same picture, different factory, they give different name. Like water wave, different factory, some factory they name it Italian curl or other name, okay? So use picture to confirm the style is better. Okay, this is the information we need to confirm before you order a customized wig, okay? So, in a word, what lace size, or HD or regular lace, and second is what quality hair, and how many bundles you want to use. Third is what style do you want? What style? Straight body wave or other styles, and then what hair color you want, and then the cap size is big, small, or medium size, okay? Yeah, follow us for more information. If any questions, comment below. We will make video for you, okay? Bye.